Hi guys, welcome to part 2 of the linked list tutorial. It's Fraser here. So in this method in this tutorial will be working on our delete first occurrence method. So here we go. So we'll start off with a node variable, which will be our current position, which we'll pass head into, and the node position of previous, which is equal to now. Okay, we'll have a while statement which states while current dot get element. Remember, this is a method which belongs to the node class, so while current dot get element is equal to that value, and if current dot get next is equal to now. What do we want to do in our while loop? This is when we would exit it, so it'll be return now. In other words, we've broken out of our while loop with this statement, and our else statement would have while else is equal to previous as equal to current. So our previous element is equal to our current, would go current is equal to current dot get next. So we're passing the get next, a new item, into current all the time, and updating our previous with our previous element. So it'll be previous takes in our head, and current gets in the next element after head. That's what's going on in our statement over there. And so over here, what we'll do is, if current item is equal to head is equal to head dot get next. And in our else statement, we'll just do the exact same thing, where we'll go else previous is equal to current dot get next, and we'll return our current position. So it'll return current. There we go, return current. So that is how you would delete the first occurrence of a specific item. Okay, scroll down to our next method, which is going to be if our linked list contains an item, a specific item that we would like to see. It's going to be a Bullion method, so it'll be public Bullion. Why did I say void? Public Bullion contain item, go to string item, which returns. Our default Boolean is going to be found is equal to false. If we find the item, we're going to pass. We'll obviously change this to true. So it's found is equal to false. Node current is equal to our head. Then we'll have a while statement, which states while current is equal to now, and this is our statement which allows us to break in and out of our while loop. So while found is equal to false, we'll go if current dot get element is equals, because remember my element was a string element in my node class, so therefore I'm going to just ignore case item. So if my current element is equal to the item I'm looking for, what would I have to do? Obviously I will have to change my found, so it'll be return return found, and then you change this argument to true. So I found the item and I'm returning and I'm breaking out of the loop. Else we'll just have to carry on searching through our linked list. So it'll be current is equal to current dot get next, and then if nothing happens, I'll just return found, my default setting. So it'll be found, which had the argument of false, so therefore my item is not found. This is my method for public boolean contain item. My next item will be replace at index. So if you want to replace an item at a certain position within the linked list, this is how the method will look like. So it'll be public void replace at index, and index dot string item. I want to replace this item at this index, so it'll be my node position is equal to current equals to head, and my node previous is equal to now, right? So I have to have a while statement which will go through my linked list, which goes as follows: while current is not equal to now, and index is greater to or equal to, my bad, there we go, 0. What do I want to do with my index? I want to decrementate it because it's greater to or equal to 0. So there it goes. And previous is equal to current. I'd have to do this. And then current is equal to current dot get next. So a new argument is going into current all the time. And then within my, this is my basic method of while, and then I have another if statement right here. So if previous is equal to now, would go previous dot set element spelled it wrong, element dot item, and that is my replace at index method. And then my last method will be determining the number of occurrences of an item within my linked list. So it'll be my public int number of occurrences of a specific item within a list. So it'll be this boolean, remember, found is equal to false, right? Let's go. Then my item is int number, okay, num of occur, how do I do this? Num occur, let's go. Num occur is equal to 0, instantiation, and then node current is equal to head, and then I'd go wow current, ooh, there we go, you just have 2 brackets, while current is not equal to now, and if the item that I've found is equal to false. This is both cases. I'd go into an if statement, so which would say current dot get element is equal to equal or ignore case into the item that I'm looking for. So I'd have this number of occurrences right here, because I'm feeling lazy, plus plus. Else I'd have this statement, which else dot current is equal to current dot get next, and then I'll just have a return statement. Guess what? Which I'll be returning the number of occurrences, num occur. There we go. So I hope you enjoyed that tutorial, which just showed you a few methods of the linked list. Thank you very much.